Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to safely edit your Shopify theme code without breaking your store. Shopify themes are built using Liquid, along with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and while editing the code gives you much more flexibility, even a small mistake can cause parts of your storefront to stop working. The good news is that with a few simple precautions, you can make changes safely and confidently. Let's get started. The first thing you should always do is create a backup of your theme. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes. Find your current live theme, click the three-dot menu, and select Duplicate. Shopify will create an exact copy of your theme. This only takes a few moments, and it gives you a safe version you can restore if anything goes wrong. It's one of the most important habits to develop before editing any code. Once your backup is ready, open the duplicate theme, or if you're making a very small change, open your current theme by clicking the three-dot menu and selecting Edit Code. This opens Shopify's built-in code editor where you'll find all of your theme files organized into folders. If you're editing the layout of your store, you'll often work with files inside the Layout or Sections folders. For product pages, collection pages, or reusable components, you'll usually work inside the Sections or Snippets folders. Styling changes are normally made inside the Assets folder, where you'll find CSS files, and some themes also include JavaScript files for interactive features. Before changing anything, take a moment to identify exactly which file you're editing. It's much easier to make one small change at a time than to edit multiple files at once. After each change, click Save, refresh your storefront, and check whether everything still works correctly. Testing after every edit makes it much easier to spot mistakes because you'll know exactly which change caused the problem. Another useful tip is to avoid deleting large blocks of code unless you're absolutely sure they're no longer needed. If you want to experiment, you can temporarily comment out sections of code instead of removing them completely. This allows you to restore them later if needed without having to rewrite everything. If something does go wrong, don't panic. Shopify stores previous versions of many theme files. While editing a file, look for the Older Versions option near the top of the editor. You can restore an earlier version of that file if your recent edits caused an issue. This is often much faster than trying to manually fix a coding mistake. After you've finished making your changes, spend a few minutes testing your store. Visit your homepage, product pages, collection pages, search page, cart, and any custom sections you've edited. If possible, test your store on both desktop and mobile devices to make sure everything displays correctly. Also check that important functions like the Add to Cart button, navigation menu, and checkout process still work as expected. If you're planning to make major design changes, it's a good idea to work on the duplicated theme instead of your live theme. Once you've confirmed that everything works properly, you can return to the Themes page, click the three-dot menu on the duplicate, and choose Publish. This lets you update your storefront with minimal risk and without affecting customers while you're still making edits. And that's it. Those are the best practices for editing Shopify Liquid code without breaking your store. By creating a backup, making small changes, testing frequently, and using Shopify's built-in recovery options, you can customize your theme safely and avoid unnecessary downtime. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.